This is going to be a real short video on this Panasonic camcorder, and you'll see why really quick. But nevertheless, we're going to take a quick peek at this thing, even though I think it's a lost cause. Well, I know it's a lost cause, but we'll take a quick look at it anyway. I tell you, the smaller the camcorders get, the less chance I have of fixing the things. Holy crap, this thing's small. This is obviously, it says LCD disconnects. I don't know if I'm going to have much chance with this one. This is an SD card, nice little 8 GB card in it. I don't think this is an HD camera. This is just a standard definition, I think. I don't know, maybe it is. Who knows? Don't know much about it other than it says the LCD doesn't work. The battery goes in the bottom. I've got the battery for it here. I don't have a charger or anything for it, but battery fits in, I guess, like this. Open it up. Oh yeah, it looks like the LCD is broken. That's what it looks like. That's what the problem with this one is. That LCD screen is, as you can see it from the edge here, so I don't think I'm going to have much luck on this unless it's got a connection problem. But I think this one here is probably, this one's probably beyond repair. You see the lines coming up in the screen. I think this is a lost cause, this one, unfortunately. It's in playback mode. What happens if I put it in camera mode? Card door is open. Yeah, really? You can see an image on here. Not a very good image. Let's see if I close that. Will it display a picture? Shutter is closed. Let's open up the shutter. I think the screen is shot, but if I press on it, it flashes a bit. Maybe I'll try to take this screen apart. I don't even know if it'll pop apart. It should just pop apart. Let's see if there's a ribbon cable or something that's loose on it. Is this a touch screen, I wonder? No, I guess not. It's not a touch screen. There's stuff recording on here. Okay, I'm just going to turn it off and see if I can figure out how to open up this little screen. I don't think there's much chance of repairing it because you can see this, the LCD screen itself is cracked. You see, even with it off, you can see that the screen has been damaged. So I don't think there's much chance in doing anything on this. But we'll attempt to open the screen up and see whether it comes apart. Looks like there was some screws in here that have been removed already. Looks like somebody's been into this thing. The screen has already had the screws removed. The bezel should pop off on this. I think the bezel comes off. Or the back, one of the two. I think the front bezel should lift off here. The screws are already removed, so it should lift off relatively easy, I would think. There's the little LCD circuit right there in all its fragility. Has a little battery in it too. That'd be for backup. Got a very, very thin, one of these little thin wafer connectors. I have to flip this open for it to turn on. If I flip up this connector, I should be able to unplug it. Okay, it should unplug now. I just want to check the seating of the ribbon cables. Make sure they're seated properly for the LCD panel itself. It's going to be the LCD screen. Without any question, it's the LCD is shot. But we'll just unseat that. This is for the control buttons. That's what this one's for. I'm going to put this one back together because it's going to be the LCD screen that's bad, and there's really nothing that I can do for it. It's not just going to be a seated connector, it's going to be the actual LCD. So this one's just to kind of take this apart and show you guys how to take the screen apart, but as far as fixing anything on here, there's really nothing to fix. These units here, you got to replace the entire panel, but that's how you get them apart. There should be 2 screws in here, but somebody's already gotten to that and taken them out, and I don't know where the person got this camera from, whether they bought it broken or what, but anyway, it's shot. As you can see. I mean, it has a bit of a picture, but it's all full of noise. If I push on it, it's making some connections, but it's the panel itself. Anyway, that's it for this one. Nothing I can do on this set. This one's shot. Thanks for watching.